Hi there, this is Terri Nicholson. It's day 8 of my 90-day video documentary, and I've kind of lost my voice a bit overnight, with a bit of a cold, so hence the husky kind of voice. But here I am. And instead of talking, I'm going to share some detail of this tree. I shared this spot in one of the earlier videos, day 2 or 3, about one of my special places in nature. And I really think it's not only about coming and spending time in beautiful places, but really honing in and noticing the detail of how intricate and incredibly beautiful nature and life is. So, and I use that as a bit of a measurement or a point of reference for myself. If I can notice beauty and really notice the detail, I feel like my emotional health, my mental health is quite well. Like I can see the beauty around me, and if I'm not really able to notice it, I go, okay, I'm a bit off colour. I need to take care of myself in whatever way. So I'm going to share some of the beauty of this tree and not talk so much this morning. All right, here we go. Not able to focus. Oh, here's a little lounge lizard. Trying to capture this beautiful spider's web. Not sure if it can capture it. Anyway. We often as a family come and spend time over here. We all come and spend time in this beautiful place. All right. See you tomorrow on day 9. Bye.